Hi everyone, I'm the special welcoming you to my video tutorial. We are learning Adobe Illustrator. I have shown you about Magic Wand tool in my previous tutorial. Today I'll be showing you about Lasso tool and text tool. So let's get started. So as my previous steps, so just delete. I can see that no object is being selected. If you want to select these two objects, then this lasso tool is a good option. Select these three objects, just drag it around in here and join the two end, and you can see that both three of these objects are being selected. How can you recognize if this is selected or not? You can see that there are some anchor points. If the object is selected, then there will be the anchor point visible. As you can see, these are not selected, so there is no anchor point now, but as these are selected, then here is a visible anchor points you can see. Okay, this is the basic thing of a lasso tool. Now I will just select all of now I will write down show you about type tool. What is type tool? Type tool is the most important thing because you have to write down something. Here you can see there is a point, black arrow point. As I have told you earlier, if it exists in here, that means there are more than one tool. You can see take type tool, area type tool, type on a path tool, vertical type tool, vertical area type tool, vertical type on a path tool. Okay, how we write in a paper? We write in a horizontal font. I will just drag it so that it becomes visible. We write in horizontal form. What you will do if you want to write it in a vertical form? So you will just drag it up here and then press it in here. It will just turn into vertical. Then all the writings will be in vertical. Okay, you have if you need to do it in some kind of designing if you want to provide, and there are some other tool you can see. Okay, I'll just get back. Horizontal or area type tool. If you select some area, select some area, as you can see the fill color is black. It must not be black, it must be empty. Just like the stroke is is empty, that means there is no color. So I'll just swap the stroke with fill. That then you can see that there is no fill color, it means empty, and only the stroke color is black. You can see it in here. As you can see, there is nothing, it's empty, but the stroke color is black. So I will just have to press it on the path, and then I can start writing it. It will not leave the area of the I have selected. As you can see that it's just going in only the area inside it, not outside of it. Okay, the path type on a path tool. Type on a path tool, it will be clear to you. If I draw some kind of circle, then it will be more clear. Okay, now type on a path tool. Okay, now whatever I write, it will be along with the circle. You see that, just like that the text is like circle. Okay, but it is along with the path. So I can tell you that it's the most basic stuff. If you want to use it as an object, the first thing you need to make is object, then expand object. Then you can see that all the text I have written has been covered with some anchor point, because it has become an object, not text, an object. You can just move it as when I was discussing selection tool. If you press shift and alter, then you can just expand here and whatever you do with an object. So I'll be discussing with font in my next tutorial, so stay tuned and goodbye.